my name is Brooklyn, and today we're going to build some mystery figures. But if you haven't seen these little guys be made, then maybe you should watch it after. But right now we're focusing on this one, which is super hard. So you just cut it. And let's see what I got. I think probably got the ghost, and it looks like a ghost. And the ghost is 7. I have this one and this one, these two, but I have them up in my room, and that's where I put my Lego minifigures, and it tells you what to do if you don't know how, but I know how. Wait. So these are the legs for the ghost. And so it looks like this. And it can be like on the other side if you do. And I'm going to put on the back. And whenever you look at his face, you think it looks scary a little. He tries to look scary. And then this will go over his head.
That might go under his neck.
Hold on. This is facing backwards. So, wait. No, it takes his head off. No. This is hard. Once it's stuck on, it's stuck on. So I can't get it off.
That goes under his head, babe.
No, seriously, look. Okay, this goes under his head. So, let me look how to do this. It looks like put this through. Maybe. Or maybe it was this one. Wait, that's I've never done one. I can't.
It's a bigger hole. You got it right.
Okay. Mom said I had it right. But I can't, get his head. Stop looking weird. Look, it's, wait, no, it's the other way. Okay, good. So I basically am I'm doing it backwards now. I'm just making it look weird. I'm facing it the other way. This is going to look weird after it's all finished. So then you put his hands like this. Wait. Is this how it goes? Nah. Could be. Wait, did you pause it? No. So I'm going to look at what this is supposed to look like. Oh, and there's also one like this. Yeah, so you put the small hole front, and then take these little handsies. Get on. It's useless. So maybe you should ask a grown-up. No, it looks hideous. Well. Maybe I should just put it on here. There. He looks like he's going to prison for a month. Or a year, because he looks old. And he's a ghost. And it looks like I'm going to make it look like he broke out. Like this. So now, and subscribe to what you like the best. And we're going to do another one next time. So peace out.